Hi, this is Amritavarshini. Welcome to the next video on my channel. Research aptitude is an intimidating chapter for a number of NET JRF aspirants. Therefore, I've decided to talk about a few types of research in this video. Today, we will be looking at the following: descriptive research, analytical research, applied research, fundamental research, quantitative research, qualitative research, conceptual research, and experimental research. The first is descriptive research. As the name suggests, it describes the occurrences and events as they exist. Surveys are forms of descriptive research. For example, a research that finds out number of people watching a particular TV show is descriptive research. The second is analytic research. This type of research involves critical analysis of a problem or critical evaluation of a situation. For instance, a research that aims at finding out if COVID 19 will affect the economy and how the effects of the lockdown will be felt is analytic in nature. Fundamental research. Fundamental research is carried out with the aim of adding to the existing body of knowledge. This is often very theoretical. This is also called as pure research or basic research. The results of a fundamental research act as the starting point for other researches. This type of research answers the questions why, what, and how. Applied research is using the already existing body of knowledge to find solutions to existing problems in the society, nation, and so on. Qualitative research. Qualitative research is concerned with the subjective assessment of attitudes, opinions, and behavior. The data collected in case of qualitative research is non-numeric. The data for qualitative research is collected using interviews, focus groups, observations, and so on. Qualitative research is ungeneralizable and always assumes a dynamic reality. For example, a research that finds answer to a question as to why people buy a particular type of soap is an example of qualitative research. In a nutshell, Richard and Cook write with regard to qualitative research that researchers in no way follow the principles of a supposed paradigm without simultaneously assuming methods and values of the alternative paradigms in qualitative research. On the other hand, quantitative research is based on quantity, that is, numbers. The data is numeric in this kind of research. The tools used in a quantitative research to collect data are questionnaires and surveys. The results of quantitative research are generalizable. The number of people buying a particular brand of soap in a particular area is an example of quantitative research. Conceptual research. Conceptual research is related to some concept or theory. It is generally used by philosophers and thinkers. Now, let us consider a research wherein the researcher aims at finding out the impact of portfolio assessment on the writing skills of learners. This is an example of experimental research. Experimental research involves hypothesis testing. One or more variables are manipulated to find the effects it has on other variables. Experimental research takes place in a controlled environment. The following are the types of experimental research: true experiment, quasi-experiment, and pre-experiment. The following table is from David Newnan's book, Research Methods in Language Learning, the details of which are in the description below. In a true experiment, there is a control group and an experimental group with random assignments of samples to each of these groups, and both groups have pre and post treatment tests. In a quasi-experimental study, there are both control and experimental groups with no random assignment of subjects, but both groups have pre and post tests. In a pre-experimental research design, there is no control group and the experimental group may have pre and post treatment tests. Today, we have looked at 8 different types of research. The remaining will form a part of the next video. I'll also be discussing few research methodology questions from previous year NET exam question papers in the upcoming video. Thanks a lot for watching. Do remember to like, share and subscribe.